Full identity change. What's up everybody, Abel from AB Custom Wraps. Welcome to another day, another wrap. Today we got this GMC Canyon in for a full color change. We're doing a full gloss white color change for this vehicle as well as graphics on top of it, so stick around. What's up guys, welcome back. So we're pretty much done with the full color change on the GMC. There's a few things that we need to add. This is a company vehicle, so we're going to be adding the company contact information on the doors as well as on the tailgate. So this is a great solution for a company. If you get a vehicle in a different color and most of your vehicles are white and you want to keep the same look throughout the entire fleet, full color change plus contact information decals on top of it will do the trick.